Welcome to dreamy Storyland. In a small village lived a boy named Ahmed. He was kind-hearted and cheerful, but he had one strange habit. He never liked to share his things. Whether it was toys or food, Ahmed always wanted to keep everything only for himself. He thought that if he shared, he would be left with nothing. One day, Ahmed's parents bought him a brand new lunchbox filled with delicious biryani and sweet rice pudding. Ahmed was overjoyed. When the school break came, he sat in a corner, ready to enjoy his meal. His friends Ali and Saba were sitting nearby, but they had no food with them. Smiling, they said, "We wish we had something to eat too." For a moment, Ahmed thought about sharing his lunch, but immediately his heart whispered, "If I give them some, I'll have less for myself." So he turned his face away and continued eating. But soon
Ali and
something
Saba
unexpected
stayed quiet.
happened. Ahmed's lunchbox slipped from his hands, and all the food spilled onto the dusty ground. Tears filled Ahmed's eyes. He was about to stay hungry, when suddenly Ali and Saba took out a small packet of biscuits they had saved and said, "Let's share this together." Ahmed was surprised. He couldn't believe that even though they had so little, they still shared it happily with him. For the first time, Ahmed felt the real joy of sharing. From that day on, he changed his habit. He began sharing his toys, books, and food with others. A few days later, a fair was held in the village. Ahmed's father bought him chocolates and candies. Instead of keeping them only for himself, Ahmed called all the children around and said, "Come, let's eat together. It's not fun to eat alone." The children gathered with happy faces, and together they enjoyed the sweets. Ahmed realized that sharing never decreases what you have. In fact, it multiplies happiness. If you like the story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting moral stories in Urdu and English.